Keeping your kid healthy during the winter can be tricky. We are in the middle of cold and flu season, and to make matters worse, there's a new threat going around Middle Georgia. 41 NBC's Elaine Rackley tells us how parents can help keep their kids healthy this winter.
The cold air is wreaking havoc on some of Middle Georgia's youngest residents. The medical director of Children's Health Center at the Medical Center of Central Georgia says youngsters are now battling a new virus.
The main virus is going around now. You've got the flu and you've got the RSV virus. And the RSV stands for respiratory syncytial virus, and that's basically the lining of the lung that gets infected by this virus.
People assume that cold weather causes cold and flu viruses to spread. Dr. Clark says that's not true.
Because of the cold, everybody sort of gets together, they stay inside, they don't go outside getting fresh air, which is good. And the more closer you are to people, the more exposed you are to these bad viruses. When it is cold, we typically see a lot more, kids are in with illnesses, viruses, whether it's the flu, whether it's the RSV, or known as the respiratory syncytial virus.
There are 305 students at St. Joseph Catholic School, and they are already taking precautionary measures suggested by Dr. Clark, such as washing their hands, bundling up, and staying away from sick students.
Attendance at a Catholic school or any school is very important because if the children aren't here, they aren't learning. So we have a lot of measures in place to make sure to keep the children as well as we possibly can. Our students are required to wear either a short sleeve or long sleeve uniform shirt. Over that, they layer the sweatshirt or cardigan, and then the third layer when they come outside is, of course, their coat.
It is St. Joseph's policy for students who have been out sick to be fever-free for 24 hours without any medication before they can return to school.
We keep hand sanitizer in every classroom. So the children not only have soap and water in the bathrooms, but we also have hand sanitizer in every room, including the computer lab.
In Macon, Elaine Rackley, 41 NBC News.
Dr. Clark also suggested getting the flu shot, and parents with kids under the age of 5 should avoid giving them over-the-counter medications like cough syrup and pills without consulting a pediatrician. He said if cold symptoms continue for more than a week, the child should see a doctor.